What's going on, everybody? Jerry here at 3DHP. I got goodies in the mail. My friend Patrick from White Source Engraving sent me out a box of stuff. I'll be doing a review on part of it. I'm not really sure what all he sent me yet. And as you may or may not know, How-Tien I have partnered with. They're a fiber laser company out of China, and I've got a 60-watt fiber laser on the way. And thank you to my friend Patrick for helping to make that possible. And I'm very glad to partner with How-Tien. And as soon as it gets here, well, it's in the U.S. It's just been tied up in customs for over a week now. So hopefully next week I will have it and I can start learning about it and doing some amazing projects with it. And I cleared off this area here. Here's where I'm going to put it. It will be a split unit, 60 watt, and I can't wait. So let me bring the camera a little bit closer and let's see what's in the box. Alrighty. Razor knife. I do have some very large unpacking knives, but a razor knife's sharper and faster, so let's see what we got here. Oh wow. Wow. Some tests he done with his fiber laser. Wow. Very cool. Yeah. Got some business cards in here. Blue anodized are really nice. Blue and black. And there's some red. Well, check that out. Very nice. Burn to learn, baby. That's the only way you can learn. You gotta burn it to learn it. And some of his stickers. There's a barcode if you'd like to scan it. They're not a barcode. What do you call those things? Oh, an axe head. Very nice. It's got some material to work with. Thank you, Patrick. I do have a few out in the garage, but thank you very much. Very nice. And his air assist pump that goes on the fiber laser. He designs and sells these, or he makes them and sells them. So I'll be reviewing this when I get it all hooked up. It's flexible. It'll mount to your breadboard. Very cool. Leather patch for engraving. Oh, it's a little case to put your business cards in. Very nice. Very cool. Like a little bottle opener slash put on your keychain, and that can be engraved. Put your logo or whatever you want saying on there. Wow, it's really cool. Another. Oh. Some steel to work with. More business cards. Tons and tons of business cards. Wow. Miles of them. Some more patches. These are round. There's 2 of them there. Engraved, bro. Wow, another bottle opener. Shaped like a credit card. You can engrave on it. Another case for business cards, chrome. Oh, little leather keychain, it can be engraved. Very nice. Same thing, different style. Wow, I love having all these samples to work with. Big piece of aluminum. There's a pouch, you can be engraved, probably for business cards. Possibly leather. Some more patches. I forget what you call these, but you can wear them on your wrist or use them for a lot of things. I guess that can be engraved too. I'm not sure, but I'll find out. Oh wow. Give me some copper coins to engrave. Very nice. Very beautiful. I just bought some off Amazon to try them out that are brass. These appear to be copper. Awesome. Bottle openers that can be engraved, some large ones. Very cool. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Look at that. All those colors. Very nice. There's some Christmas trees or leather they can be engraved on. And wow, the same here. There's 3 here that are round. They're leather on both sides. You can engrave on them. Here's another one for business cards. Amazing. Thank you so much, my friend. And here's a pin down here that can be engraved on. Another pen. Another copper coin. I believe aluminum, so they can engrave on it, or possibly cut it. Some more Burn to Learn baby stickers. Burn to Learn. Some patches. Oh. Oh wow. Wow. Look at all these coins. Dog tags. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Wow. Ton of supplies to work with. And some more of those wristbands that can be engraved on, possibly. Another patch. Wow, this is amazing. It's like Christmas. Wow. Nice little knife and case. Oh, wow. That's cool. Wow, very nice. You can engrave that. That's really cool. I love that. It says Lightning Elite. Now this can be my new box opener for packages. That's really cool. It's really awesome. Lots of stuff here to separate. Get some trays to put everything in, organize it. And wow, it's amazing. And like I say, Haltien, I've partnered with the company. I've got a 60-watt fiber laser coming hopefully next week. And thank you to my friend Patrick with Light Source Engraving for helping making that possible. And I just can't wait to get it so I can start working with cool stuff. And I've got so many cool supplies here. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, everybody. Please like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, happy laser engraving.